What's up, guys? This will be my 2023 Firework Stash. I'm gonna go too crazy this year, guys. I got one Blockbuster Family Pack, one Unabomber 24 pack, one 6-pack of those moon rocks. There's about 9 Enigma shells in there. 12 Don't Panics. I believe these are 2020s, not too sure. 1 Vibranium. A sleeve of those Anarchy shells, color. 2 packs, Excals. 5 6-inch ring shells from Right Gears. 2 18 packs Hulk canister shells. 7-inch, brand new for 2023. Crazy shells, crazy. I think I got like half a case of Fire Force right there. Onto the cakes, I got Throw Punch, Money Box, Blue Moon Rising, Crackling Color Palm right there, Bling Bling, She's Packing Heat, 200-shot center missile batteries, Happy. I got a couple stars, stripes, and solids, couple cringe cakes, onto the 500s, and banger cakes. If you know, you know. Blonde Joke, Top Gun, American Ride, and then down there, Atom Bomb. Onto the rockets. Right there, those are some Fab rockets my uncle gave to me. Got one, Stage 3. Got some miscellaneous stuff right there. Miscellaneous shells, pack of red and greens. I don't know what these ones are, M80s, M1000s, quarter sticks, not too sure. Some miscellaneous Roman candles, 190 shake shot, firing squad. Yeah. Nothing too crazy this year, guys. You guys have a blessed one. Happy 4th of July, Pyros.